Today in this video I will be showing you kind of my laundry slash cleaning day, and hopefully this provides you some motivation. I try to do this routine every day for 30 minutes at least, but this time around I had thought that I was all caught up on my laundry and I let it slip for a couple days and had piled up a couple loads, so I grabbed all of my hampers and decided to film doing all the laundry to get caught up back again into my normal routine. So if that is something that you're interested in watching, please stick around and let's get to it.
So to start off my routine, which typically lasts about 30 minutes every day, I tackle the dishes first. Now this is just over maybe a day and a half of dishes, so we do go through quite a bit of dishes, and I feel like we're constantly running our dishwasher and adding new dishes, and the cycle never ends. So now I'm just going to first put off all the dishes that were in there, and then I'm going to wash the dishes and fill this dishwasher back up.
Life was dull until you came. I was breathless when we first met. Couldn't keep my hands away. I was speechless when we first met. Yeah, you took the pain away. Didn't mind my scars, mend my broken heart. Life was dull until you came. Now I see in color again. It could rain, I don't mind if it pours, 'cause I'm right next to you, to you. Come rain or come shine, I don't mind, 'cause I'm right next to you. It's you, right next to you, to you, next to you, next to you, next to you, right next to you, to you, next to you, next to you, next to you. Never thought I'd feel this high. The sky has never felt this close, and when you kiss me, I can't believe that I am yours and you are mine. You took the pain away, didn't mind my scars, mend my broken heart. Life was dull until you came. Now I see in color again. It could rain, I don't mind if it pours, 'cause I'm right next to you, to you. Come rain or come shine, I don't mind, 'cause I'm right next to you. It's you, right next to you, to you, next to you, next to you, next to you. Who would have thought I'd be up on cloud nine? I would never take our love for granted.
So this is the grossest thing about cleaning dishes, is the gunk that the strainer catches, and I hate touching this, but I know I have to because it's gross and it has to be thrown away. So if you're liking this video so far, please hit the like button down below. I would greatly appreciate it. It just will let me know that you are excited and getting motivated for this cleaning slash laundry day with me. So now that I'm finished with the kitchen, I focus my time into the laundry. So I am taking all the clothes that are dark and putting them into the washer, and I don't have a perfect strategy, or I don't have any type of specific way that I do my laundry. All I do is I take them out put them with light colors and run it. I don't do anything fancy. Now that I am done with cleaning the kitchen and I just put a load of laundry in the washer, I'm going to break and do a little workout using my kettlebell. So I'm doing a couple of sets. Here, I think I did 2 of this movement that you're seeing now, and then 1 set of the deadlifts movement using the kettlebell as well. I typically go to the gym, but on days that Tyler is on shift, or if we have something planned and I am unable to attend the gym, I will do something like this, which is quick and easy to where I can clean and still get some physical movement or some workout.
Me llega esa duda que siempre estremece. Si valgo algo, ¿quién soy? Si alguien me amara como soy. Me he sentido mal todos estos meses, pero sé que el día vendrá en que la luz me brillará. Quiero solo esa mirada que me asegure que no pasa nada, que todo ha estado bien, que fue un sueño y desperté, pero en mi interior siempre gritaban todas penas que querían ser curadas. Yo quiero amarme también, algún día lo lograré, lo lograré.
After my mini workout session, I went back to the washer and took out everything that was washed and put it into the dryer.
Ya no tengo miedo, lo que tengo es ganas. Lo bonito del futuro, no ver barreras ni esos muros. Aunque pierdas, sé que siempre algo ganas. No lo veía por inseguro, todo en mi vida era oscuro. Ahora tengo esa mirada que me asegura que no pasa nada, que todo ha estado bien, que fue un sueño y desperté. Ya en mi interior no existe nada, todas esas penas ya fueron curadas. Yo aprendí a amarme también, orgulloso lo logré. Lo lograré, lo lograré. Saldré de esta. Lo lograré.
Once I put another load in the washer, I went for round 2 of my workout session.
Esas fuerzas tengo el empeño, mejorarme como persona. No soy de esos que no luchan. Espero que lo mismo hagas con problemas de tu vida, no son condenas, se resuelven y ya está.
So I went to the dryer and I felt the clothes and they were still damp, so I went ahead and ran it for a second time.
Life was dull until you came. I was breathless when we first met. Couldn't keep my hands away. I was speechless when we first met. Yeah, you took the pain away. Didn't mind my scars, mend my broken heart. Life was dull.
after my third load of laundry into the washer, I went ahead and did round 3 of my whole body workout.
Next to you. Come rain or come shine, I don't mind, 'cause I'm right next to you. It's you.
Second load of laundry coming out of the dryer. Unfortunately, that's all I'm going to be folding for this video. I didn't want to do more folding of the entire laundry that I had to wash and dry, but because this is already in the evening and my camera doesn't have good lighting at night, so I knew that the clips would be horrible and I just didn't want to put a video that had really bad lighting towards the end. So I went ahead and just folded the first and second loads of laundry that came out of the dryer.
That I am yours and you are mine. You took the pain away, didn't mind my scars, mend my broken heart. Life was dull until you came. Now I see in color again. It could rain, I don't mind if it pours, 'cause I'm right next to you. Come rain or come shine, I don't mind, 'cause I'm right next to you. It's you, right next to you. Next to you. Next to you. Next to you. Who would have thought I'd be up on cloud 9? I would never take our love for granted. Love how you make me feel alive when you're with me. Took the pain away, didn't mind my scars, and my broken heart. It could rain, I don't mind if it pours, 'cause I'm right next to you. Come rain or come shine, I don't mind, 'cause I'm right next to you. It's you, right next to you. Next to you. Next to you. Next to you.
Me llega esa duda que siempre estremece. Si valgo algo, ¿quién soy? Si alguien me amara como soy. Me he sentido mal todos estos meses, pero sé que el día vendrá en que la luz me brillará. Quiero solo esa mirada que me asegure que no pasa nada, que todo ha estado bien, que fue un sueño y desperté, pero en mi interior siempre gritaban todas penas que querían ser curadas. Yo quiero amarme también, algún día lo lograré, lo lograré, lo lograré. Saldré de esta, lo lograré, lo lograré. Saldré de esta. Ya no tengo miedo, lo que tengo es ganas. Lo bonito del futuro, no ver barreras ni esos muros. Aunque pierdas, sé que siempre algo ganas. No lo veía por inseguro, todo en mi vida era oscuro. Ahora tengo esa mirada que me asegura que no pasa nada, que todo ha estado bien, que fue un sueño y desperté. Ya en mi interior no existe nada, todas esas penas ya fueron curadas. Yo aprendí a amarme también, orgulloso lo logré. Lo lograré, lo lograré. Saldré de
is it for this video. I hope you liked it and got motivation to add a little fun to your cleaning and laundry day routine. And if you like what you saw in this video, I have 2 other videos that are going to be placed here, and you can take a look at those. And if you like it, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you get notified each time I upload a video. And I hope to see you again in the next one. Bye bye.